Okay, hi Kalum and Bu Putri. I would like to present the lighting for the cabin as we discussed before. I have received the new rendering, so I developed the lighting based on that. Okay, so what I want to explain is about the design updates, the lighting specification update, and the examples that I want to show you, and then the lighting control, manual dimming versus the preset dimming system. Okay, so we start from the design update. Actually the same idea as before, the lighting to highlight the trees and the ceiling as the first corner to see, and then the lighting in the bedroom, lighting in the living room, and then the ceiling light for the ambience, and then yeah, bedroom lighting, jacuzzi and the step light. And this is the additional lighting for this textured wall. So this option is using the uplight to highlight the wall, and then the second idea is we use this accent lighting on the wall, so this will enhance the texture of the wall also. And the idea is to connect the interior and the exterior from the bathroom, so it will have a continuous accent light effect from the bathroom for the mirror light on the bathroom, and then going out to the wall, because they have the same lighting effect, same backlit effect. So that's the idea for these options. And then okay, next for the bathroom is still the same. It's a mirror light and the wall washer for the wall. Yeah, wall washer for the wall. Okay, and then let's talk about the night light. So by the design update, we have a step here, and then we can put the step lighting here and also there. Okay, so for the night light, so when you wake up you have a small light here for your step. Okay, and then for the option 2, this is the idea to enhance yeah, all of the shape to create the floating effect. So it will not be so bright because we use a low light linear light, and the placement is so low. So as you can see in the detail, it's only 8 centimeters more or less from the floor, so the reflection will not so bright. Yeah, if you like this idea, this is the detail. Okay, and then for the night light in the bathroom, we use one of the wall washer as a night light, so the bathroom will have also a low lighting. Okay, the next one is the lighting specification. Actually no different from before. I propose a downlight with dark chrome reflector like this one, yeah. So this is the dark chrome reflector, and then sorry, this is the example of the dark chrome reflector. Okay, but this one the trim is still white. Sorry, the left pictures you can see the trim is still white, but we can use the black trim which is fit with the cabin. Okay, and when you turn on the light, you can see in the middle pictures you cannot really see the light source like in the ceiling. So actually in the ceiling there are 6 downlight there in the pictures, but we cannot really see the light source because of this reflector system. Okay, so it's really nice. And you can see in the right picture, yeah, because this cabin ceiling is wood, I think black is the right color for the downlight. And I try to compare the black dove reflector and the dark chrome refractor. So this one is the dove, and this one is the dark chrome. So as you can see here, the black dove will create a little bit of glare here compared to the dark chrome. Actually, it will create a little bit of glare. And then in the last pictures you can see that the situation or the view in the daytime between the dove and the dark chrome. So yeah, which one do you like? Okay, and the other area, the bathroom, also the luminaire is the same. And then for the walk-in closet and also kitchen is also the same. And for the landscape, actually also the same, only additional spotlight there. For the wall, it's same like this one, so we can hide under the bushes. Or the next option with the wall light, this one with the accent in the wall light, this is how the luminaire looks like. So it's like a dot with the backlit effect. So it's similar effect with the mirror light on the bathroom, and it will enhance the texture of the wall, of course. Okay, cool. Okay, and then this is the we continue to the lighting control, and here is the mapping. So for the bathroom, kitchen, and walk-in closet, I propose manual on-off control, so no dimmable. For the other, we could use a dimming system. So for the dimming system, we have two options: manual dimming and lighting scenarios or preset. I will explain that later on. And in the entrance area, we could use timer. So in every circulation of the cabin area will be turned on and off at the same time. Okay, this is the explanation for the dimming control that we can use for the cabin. So option 1, the left one, is a manual dimming. So for this option, the switch can control should control every grouping of the light. So this is the example of the switch. Sorry. This is the example of the switch. It's like a rotating switch, rotating dimmer like this, or a slide switch like this, so we can slide it up and down to dim. And the number of this rotating switch will be the same with the number of the grouping in the grouping of the light in the certain area. Okay, so it will have a lot of rotating switch. And for the second option in the right pictures, we use the lighting scenarios system. So there we can have lighting scenarios as we want, and we could simplify the switch like only like this. So yeah, we could have a simple switch like one switch, one square switch like this. Yeah. And yeah, because we don't need to have a switch for every grouping of the light, so we can simplify. And notice there are two options for the installation. It's wired and wireless, usually with the Bluetooth system. So with the Bluetooth system, we can control it easily with the phone application. So the lighting preset will be easier if we want to change it in the future. Yeah, so that's the comparison. Let's see when we put those options in our project. Yeah, so this is the switch plan if we want to use a manual dimming system. So the blue one, yeah, so this one, the blue one is for the bathroom. for the bathroom. I propose these 3 switches for bathroom, general lighting, mirror lighting, and the jacuzzi. So I propose the switch for jacuzzi here because I think before going to jacuzzi they will prepare the things in the bathroom, and then they access the jacuzzi from the bathroom, and then going back again to the bathroom. So it's better to put the switch on the bathroom. So what do you think about this? And then for the walk-in closet, the green one, walk-in closet, we only use 2 manual switch, yeah, general lighting and the furniture lighting. And then the third one, for the for the reading light here in the bedside. Okay, for the reading light in the bedside, we use a local switch. I mean the switch which is integrated in the reading light. And for the model of the reading light is up to you, but this gooseneck system like this will be more flexible actually to use for the reading light. Okay, and then the last one, the red one, is for the main area. The red one for the main area, this is the switch for the manual dimming. So we have 4 rotating switch for every group: garden to control the garden, and then bedroom to dim the bedroom, for living and ceiling, and then the additional switch for the night light. Okay, and if we compare to the lighting scenario preset, that's how it's look like the switch. So it will be simple with this preset, with this preset button here, and with a dimming button here, so you also still can dim up and down the scenarios. Okay, so I will explain it by this example. Okay, this is the example of lighting scenarios that we can create with the preset system. First is we turn on the all light. So I say this is a scene for all on or off. So when we press the switch, all of the light will be in 100%. And then this dimming button, that dimming button could use to dim down or up all the light as you wish. Okay, and then for the second scene, I call it bedroom scene because the idea is to focus the light on the bed and the table area. So the ceiling light will be dimmed down to 30%, for example, and then the downlight for the living is turned off. Again, the dimming button can be used to increase on or decrease the light, but for the ceiling only. So we can create the brighter and the darker ambience. Okay, and then for the third scene, I said it's living scene. So the idea is to focus the light on the living room with the ceiling turned on 100%. The downlight in the bed is 0, I mean turn off, and then the downlight in the living is 100%. And again, the dimming button can control the ceiling light as you want. Okay, and for the next scene is for the garden. So I think the garden should have their own control apart with the interior. Okay, and the last one is the night light scenarios. So when we press the switch of the night light, all of the light will be turned off and only the night light is turned on. The night light in the step light and in the bathroom. Okay, so all of this setting could be adjusted. Of course, we can simplify again the switch. Maybe we can make a lesser scenarios or maybe more scenarios. All is possible and still flexible. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for the update for the cabin lighting. Hope you like the idea, and yeah, you can choose which option do you prefer, and you can comment, and you can give me feedback. I mean, thank you so much.